Hey YouTube, Jason here again with Day Trading Fearless, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and also the bell notification. So as always, let's get right into it. Okay, so today's question is, what is the best stock to trade? Well, there's probably over 10,000 stocks to trade, hundreds of futures. But for me, I'm going to tell you what I personally mainly trade one stock, and that's the S&P E-mini futures. Now, if I ever want to trade the stock side of it, I could trade the ETF, which is SPY, which would be the stock of the E-mini S&P futures. But I personally like the ES futures. As for what's the best thing to trade, I will say whatever resonates with you as a trader, okay? You might like penny stocks. If you like penny stocks, hey, look for stocks that resonate with you, that might have really big moves, or maybe there's news happening with that stock. Another thing might be look for something with lots of liquidity. Okay, penny stocks, you're probably not going to find a lot of liquidity, but if you look at something like an Apple, a Amazon, a Google, a Facebook, okay, Netflix, Intel, Microsoft, those have very tight spreads. So usually they're about a penny wide spread. So you're not going to get that much slippage or anything. But again, figure out what resonates with you and learn maybe just a handful of stocks, okay? Maybe it's Apple, Facebook, and Intel, and learn those and watch them every single day, because the more you sit there and you watch the same stock, you will see its own characteristics that every stock has. Some love to actually bounce at the 200 or the 20 or the a Fibonacci level 80% of the time, while others will blow through those levels. Okay, so if you start to watch the same stock every single day, I think that's where your edge actually is. So find a stock or a couple stocks, a handful, watch them every day that resonate with you. Maybe it's Apple. You love watching the movement because it moves intraday a lot more. Maybe you like something a lot slower, like an Intel, right? Or an AMD, something that might not move as much, but you're only looking for smaller moves because you're buying a lot more shares. So I hope that kind of helps narrow it down. Again, if it's a future or if it's a stock, just watch it and become a master of that one stock. That's what I've done personally, and I've been doing this for the last 12 years with the E-mini S&P futures. I watch it every single day, all day long, and I know everything about it. I could usually tell you, not always, but where we should reverse or bounce from, because I understand what it does intraday and all its characteristics. So thank you for watching, and I will see you at the next video. Thank you.